Hey guys, it's your girl Avelovinit and welcome to another daily vlog. Yay! I didn't get to vlog for the past 2 days because I was busy editing, making sure that we have supplies and all of that. That's why, this is my first quarantine vlog. I'm not going out of this hotel unless I have to buy some supplies like water, food. If you guys are following me on Twitter and Facebook, I posted that I will be doing cheap and simple meals. I will be using only 3 to 6 or 7 ingredients, not more than 10. Also a disclaimer, salt, pepper, water, and cooking oil is not included to those ingredients. I will try as much as possible to keep it cheap and simple because maybe some of you guys don't know how to cook, and I am super happy to help you how to cook. So yeah, without further ado, let's get to the first meal. I will be cooking corned beef Filipino style. Yes, why is it Filipino style? Because Filipinos, they put potatoes on their corned beef, which is really smart because it makes it look more than usual. Without further ado, let's get started with the ingredients. We don't have a dining table for 4, so what we're gonna do is just have a picnic outside. Yeah. You guys want with this? Yeah. Picnic! There. You know you're in the vlog, right?
something because so what is this, corned beef?
Yes,
Okay.
corned beef with potatoes. Have you ever had corned beef with potatoes?